we're up on deck 11, and this is the jogging track. 4 laps around it equals 1 mile. Got a really nice sitting area over here. Personally, I wouldn't recommend it because it's literally next to the basketball court. So unless that's your vibe, it may be a little loud. But there is some fun foosball right here.
However, I do need to let you know that there are still a number of you who are not going to get a checked in at the station. Now it is very, very important that each day, anyway, just about 1 hour time, happening right up there on the Lido deck every day. Thank you for your attention and your cooperation. I look forward to seeing as many of you out and about as possible. Okay, bye.
This used to be a Costa ship, and when it became a Carnival ship, they decided to not replace the original funnel and leave it with the large blue sea on a yellow background instead of going with the traditional Carnival whale's tail. Directly in front or forward of that funnel is the ropes course. Below the ropes course is some mini golf. Couple holes. Nothing super fancy. A little bit of cornhole. And inside of there is the warehouse arcade. And we will go check that out right now. This is the warehouse arcade on the Carnival Firenze. Not a bad collection of games. Some air hockey. Racing games. There's a little kiosk here where you can buy some arcade tokens. Check your balance, see how much you have left on your sale and sign card. My son's favorite, the duck catcher. I won't even tell you how many ducks we have at home. Some virtual reality Godzilla. You may have to give that a shot later. Halo. That will probably be awesome to play. We're going to be heading over to the water slides. And again, this is the ropes course. And this is embarkation day, so everybody's just starting to get the feel for things. All right, we are back at the Carnival Waterworks. There's 2 water slides here. and a play area. I would say for kids, but it's really for anybody. And that's where you get on the water slides, which interestingly enough is right next to the entrance to the 21 and over Serenity deck. So, not sure if that's the best planning. We're up on deck 12. This is the entrance to the Serenity deck. Oh, there goes somebody down the slide. And again, the retractable roof over the center pool on the Lido deck. And the ropes course.
14.
We're on 14?
I think so.
All right, well, I'm a little off. This is the height that you have to be. 42 inches to ride the slide.